The question that I got asked is, how do I add another Instagram account to my mobile device? Let me show you how to do that. So we're looking at my TL Burriss Instagram account. On the bottom right-hand corner, I click on the little people icon. And then here's the profile for my TL Burriss. And if I go up here to the left where it says TL Burriss, I hit the little arrow, little down arrow right there, and it says add account. So I click add an account. I can log into an existing account, or I can create a new account. So I'm going to create a new account. I'm going to click create new account, and it wants a username. So I'm going to use NCWiseman2. And I'm not going to connect it to shared accounts. I'm going to use a password. So give me a moment while I put the password in there. And it wants to verify my phone. So I'm going to give it my phone number. Now it wants me to complete sign up. Now it wants me to sync my contacts. I don't want to do this. So I'm going to hit continue. And I'm going to say don't allow. And then once you get Facebook suggestions, I could hit continue or hit skip. And I'm going to hit skip. Wants me to add a photo, so I'm going to add a photo, add a profile photo. I'm going to choose from my library. I'm going to use this one. Let me find an interesting one. I'm going to use this one right here. Hit done. And then also show this as a post. Why not? Hit next. I'm going to hit next. It wants me to find people, but I'm not ready to do that. Hit next. And now my account is done. So if I go down to the bottom right-hand corner, and I can start using this account. If I go to the bottom right-hand corner, click on that. And then up top where it says NCWiseman2, I hit the little down arrow there, and I can switch back to TL Burriss. And then I'm back to my main account. Again, go to the people icon on the bottom right, click on the arrow to the right of the handle, and I can switch back to NCWiseman. So that is the basic steps for adding a new Instagram account directly to your mobile device. And because I used a password, I can also get to this account from my web browser. I'm Teddy, your social media dude. I hope this is helpful for you.